everyone, so I'm about to go camping and I just wanted to share with you guys how I'm going to pack my bag and the new packing travel organisers that I'll be using from Bagsmart. This is the bag that I'll be taking on my trip, and as you know with these bags, it is basically a large dump of emptiness. There are no dividers, there are no organisers or sections, so you basically dump everything in, which I don't really like that. I like to section my things, organise it, and have it individually packed up. So I'm actually really excited to be trying out these new Bagsmart organisers. They come in this really nice durable organisers. This is literally everything that I'm taking with me in terms of clothing. So in here I've got all of my tops, including jackets. Yeah, you heard right, jackets in here. Okay, I've jam-packed a lot in this bag, which is actually crazy. I've got a top, a crop top, I've got a jacket, a long sleeve in here, a short sleeve top, and then my hoodie, which I will be bringing with me. So that literally fit all in here, which is absolutely crazy. And then in the small compartment here, I've got all of my swimsuits and underwear and stuff. So swimsuits and underwear in the slip pockets, which I'm not going to display. This is all of my pants and leggings and shorts, and actually my pajamas fit in here as well. So I've got some shorts that I'm bringing. This is my pajama set. And some leggings that I will be bringing as well. And something that I absolutely love about these bags, every single one has an expandable zip. So as you can see with this one, I've expanded it out already. This is actually my towel that I rolled up for this small bag. But if you wanted to compress everything, you can just go ahead and zip up the expand, which then compresses your entire package. Absolutely insane. Like, that's just now compressed, smaller. It's going to fit so much nicer in my bag. And then lastly, you also get this bag, which for a long time I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for, because there's a divider in the middle. So basically I think I'm just going to use this for like dirty clothes, like a laundry bag, which surprisingly, I always forget some type of laundry bag when I pack to go away, and I always end up having my clean clothes and my dirty clothes all mixed in together, which is absolutely horrendous and disgusting. So I'm really happy that they provided something like this. As you guys know, I absolutely love Bagsmart. I've been using their shoe bag and their toiletry bag, which I'm still using to this day. This is my favorite makeup toiletry bag that I travel with. It is so convenient, it's so lightweight, and there are so many different sections and organizers within this bag that I absolutely love compared to all of my other like nice makeup bags. So I still use this to this day, and the material is just so easy to clean. So I guess I will show you guys some other things that I've got in my duffel bag here. I've got a little pouch which I'm keeping. Yep, I've got my charger in here, and I've got a little power bank because the first day we won't have any electricity or power sources, and I've got some other sanitary items in this little bag. As you can see, I love having like little bags within my big bag, just so I know where everything is. I hate things just flying around in my bag. I like things to be organized, and I like things to have its own space. I've got my shampoo and conditioner, which I just keep in a little Ziploc. And then I've also got my face wash and body wash in this other little Ziploc. So as you can see, it's going to be a very low maintenance type trip, which I'm really excited about. And I'm really excited to also share with you guys my coupon code that I have for Bagsmart. So the coupon code Vanessa25 gets you 25% off your entire order on bagsmart.com, which is absolutely amazing. That's actually a really good deal. If you're interested in all of this stuff and checking them out, I'll have a link below in my description, and of course use my discount code so you get a massive discount on your purchase.
Thanks already. Wow. Bye.
You've been video?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Oh my god, do you want to give me a room tour?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
To my...
Hi MTV, welcome to my crib.
Yes. Oh, first of all, you gotta take your shoes off.
Oh, I don't have shoes on, so it's fine.
Here we go. Okay,
we've got nothing.
We've got my side of the room.
Oh yeah.
And Thomas can be on that side.
Why have you picked this side?
I don't know, because I'm about to get changed.
Because I'm about to get, okay, so I will stop filming you.
Actually, I'll probably match that and come out over here.
Yeah.
side to side until my trouble come alive. Can't wait, the sun is shining, lift the sails and follow my own tide, yeah. There's a string in there, not telling me to leave for a while. For the first time I'm trusting, now I'm gonna ride my own line.
Oh, I know how the internet works.
Look at the puppy. She's so cute. Vanessa, ask what her name is. Ask what her name is. Ridiculous. You did. What are you doing?
Away into
No, he's just pulling out the camera.
Can't wait to bury the ruins of my mistakes, to only keep it the truth.
Look at how many sheep there are. Look at how many sheep there are.
There's a treasure out there,
There's so many.
just everyone should just have to choose.
You ran out of coke.
It's about to go on the podcast.
Oh, good.
It is a waste
The next,
of my
the second box
blessing. It's not a mark, freedom of my
Take along. Let's not take away. Take along.
Take along. You take them along with you. So Vanessa, you've spent a night in a tent. How do you feel? How are you feeling? Do you feel very outdoorsy?
Oh my god.
We're vlogging.
I've got no makeup on right now.
We're vlogging.
Yeah, I love it.
Is this your setup? You don't have to look at the camera. You can just. Hey friends, what's for breakfast?
Why are you filming it?
Because it's funny. She doesn't like it. What's for breakfast? What do you guys have for breakfast? Oh, yum. Oh, cute.
What landscape though?
Did you?
Yeah.
The whole time?
Why I was videoing. On this one or your phone?
I'm up.
Are you actually having cereal?
Yeah, I'm having cereal.
Oh my god. No.
Mama,
I can't believe you got into the effort to get cereal.
cereal is such low effort.
Yeah, it's on.
Make sure no mosquitoes go on. Oh wow, it's so small.
I feel refreshed. You said I want to do a boomerang, and so I jumped in.
What's up? Do your feet touch the bottom?
Yeah.
No, only when you like jump. What's it called?
Yes.
Was it called then? Was it colder than this first time around?
Pass?
Are you getting bitten?
998.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god.
Freezing?
About 4 degrees above.
That's so nice. No, that feels so nice when you're really hot.
Oh really?
Oh, cool. You should do it.
Oh, should I?
Now.
Did you get it, honey?